so excited to try all this stuff I just got at the grocery store. I've been on Courtney Cook talk. I know I got me some sweet potatoes. I couldn't find the butter casse or butter case, I don't know how you say it exactly, cheese, but I did find some made in Germany cheese, and it's soft, because she had mentioned that the kind she's been stuffing in them sweet potatoes is like soft. I got some of that. It's backwards, but that's what it looks like. But I also got some Munster cheese because I've never tried that. You know, I had to get me some sweet onions, which I get sweet onions all the time. But we're gonna try an onion cup, even though I'm not real big on raw onions. Chicken salad and mac salad, and some pimento cheese. Deviled eggs. I can make my own, but I didn't want to, and I'm starving. I got some sweet Vidalia onions in sauce, cottage cheese, pickled dilly beans, red cabbage. I'm gonna just pile all this stuff in an onion cup and go for it. I'm gonna see what happens. Oh, I got some of this chili crunch stuff that everybody's been trying. Boars and cheese, some potato salad, and some green onions, which I don't usually like, but I'm gonna try them too. Soup dumplings, and some sourdough. I'm gonna cut that and toast it and get it crunchy. She makes me so hungry every time I watch her. Let me see what we're gonna try. We had to finish getting the groceries put up. We've left out some of the stuff to try, and we're gonna wait for Haley for obviously the sweet potatoes, and then I saved some onion cups for her to try some of this stuff too, but we're gonna try. I'm trying to figure out where to start.
I said we did the dumplings.
Oh, I warmed up some of these soup dumplings. Kaden wants to start with that. I'll put some soy sauce on those. Try dumplings?
What? I do not like the texture of that.
I don't know how to use chopsticks.
Look, you just grab it.
Is it hot? It is so hot on the inside, but it's good.
What's in the jar?
This?
Yeah.
This is pickled dilly beans. So it's like pickled green beans, I think.
Doesn't tell me if it's slimy.
No, you're gonna love it. These are good.
Oh, that smells good.
It's like a pickle almost.
Those are good.
I do like those. I love the crunch.
I want to see what this is about.
Ooh.
It looks like jelly.
It smells like cabbage.
You want to try it first?
That's not bad. I'm gonna take an onion cup. Okay, and we'll put a little chicken salad. I'm probably gonna also put a little pimento cheese in it. And some avocado ranch.
Oh, Mom.
Pickled red cabbage.
I'll
see it. Is it too dark? Go, go, go.
Has a little bit of ranch on it.
Dog attack.
Yeah. My mouth ain't big as hers. And that was a small one like that. She'd be eating them out of the big ones. But for somebody who doesn't even usually like raw onions, when you pile a whole bunch of crap in it and put it all in your mouth at the same time, it's good. It works for some reason. Kane's gonna fix one. Eating these. I meant to put a little piece on my, but she eats the whole thing. She just tears the end off and gets to eating it.
Go ahead. Go.
But I'm gonna try it. Y'all, it gets real oniony after it's chewed up. Ooh,
I'm gonna take a piece and put it on my onion.
real oniony after it's chewed up.
Y'all's breath is gonna stink.
Yes.
3, 2.
You didn't even tell us what all you put in it.
Chicken.
Pimento cheese,
And
chicken salad. Did you put this? So just those two things? You like it? Oh, and one of the green onions.
That's really good.
All right, I'm gonna get brave and try the chili crisps. This is that like oil with the crunchy things in it. I don't know what's crunchy about it, but they just be putting it on there like that.
Is it like spicy?
I think so.
Let me smell it.
Let's go, Mom.
Okay.
Let's go. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It really tastes like nothing. It's kind of got almost a sweet hint to it. And now I'm getting the heat like afterwards. Mm-hmm.
I got Raven. I put a lot on there, so let's go.
You didn't like it, Katie?
I hated that.
I'm gonna try another dumpling, but this time I'm gonna put it in an onion cup. You can put your soy sauce in there and it don't even run off. The onion cup holds it. I ain't gonna be able to put all this in my mouth.
Maybe y'all need to cut them in half.
Mm-hmm. I do not know how she puts all that in her mouth. I could barely chew it up, but it's so good. Y'all go to the deli at your grocery store and just load up on all sorts of random things and then put them in a little onion cup. Get a sweet onion though. It's gotta be a sweet onion. This was so much fun. I love you. Stay classy.